Ever wondered why some managers inspire, motivate, and bring out the best in their teams, while others do the opposite? What separates the good from the great in leadership? Let's dive into this intriguing query. Often there's a misconception that being a manager is about power, authority, and control. But the reality is quite different. The secret ingredient to effective leadership isn't wrapped up in dominating or controlling. Instead, it's about understanding, empathizing, and connecting with people on a deeper level. It's about emotional intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. Emotional intelligence, the ability to manage and use your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict, is the key to both personal and professional success. So, what are the benefits of being an emotionally intelligent leader? And how can you become one? The difference lies not in their technical skills, but in their emotional intelligence. That's right, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of others, is the most commonly used tool for improving management skills. Let's break it down. Emotional intelligence consists of 5 key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Think of it as the bridge between knowing what you feel and understanding how those feelings can influence your actions and decisions. For instance, consider a manager dealing with a high-pressure project. If they are self-aware, they can recognize their stress and take steps to manage it, preventing it from affecting their team's morale. Similarly, empathy allows a manager to understand the emotions of their team members, helping them to create a supportive and motivating environment. So, understanding and leveraging emotional intelligence can indeed be your secret weapon in becoming a better manager. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Why should I care about emotional intelligence? Well, the benefits of emotional intelligence in leadership are manifold and backed by extensive research. For starters, it's been shown to significantly improve team performance. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can better understand and manage their team's emotions, leading to a more harmonious and productive work environment. Next, emotional intelligence is closely linked with increased employee engagement. When leaders are able to empathize with their team members and respond to their needs effectively, it fosters a sense of trust and respect. This can boost morale, increase productivity, and reduce turnover rates. Moreover, emotional intelligence helps to reduce workplace stress. Leaders with high emotional intelligence are adept at recognizing and managing their own emotions as well as those of their team. This can lead to healthier communication, fewer misunderstandings, and a more positive workplace culture overall. A study from the University of Illinois even found that leaders with high emotional intelligence were better at handling conflict and maintaining strong working relationships. Now, isn't that a skill worth having? The benefits extend beyond the workplace too. Emotional intelligence can enhance personal relationships, increase self-awareness, and improve overall mental well-being. As you can see, emotional intelligence is not just a nice to have, but a game changer in leadership. So, how can you hone your emotional intelligence and reap these benefits? The first step is practicing self-awareness. This means acknowledging your emotions as they arise and understanding how they impact your thoughts and behaviors. It's about taking a step back in heated moments to examine what you're feeling and why. Next, focus on developing empathy. As a leader, it's crucial to understand the feelings of those around you. This isn't just about being nice, it's about truly understanding others' perspectives, even when they differ from your own. This can lead to more effective communication, stronger relationships, and ultimately a more harmonious workplace. Managing stress effectively is another key aspect of emotional intelligence. Stress can cloud judgment and trigger emotional reactions, but with the right tools, such as mindfulness and relaxation techniques, you can keep your cool even in high-pressure situations. Furthermore, don't shy away from feedback, but seek it. Constructive criticism is a goldmine for growth. Listen to it, learn from it, and leverage it to improve. Finally, practice makes perfect. Emotional intelligence isn't something you can master overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort, but the payoff is well worth it. So, start today, practice self-awareness, cultivate empathy, manage your stress, and embrace feedback. Reflect on how you can apply these strategies in your own leadership style. Remember, becoming a better manager is a journey, not a destination. And with emotional intelligence, you're well on your way.